Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your friend's birthday. All your friends' birthday actually, not only one of them. Basically Snapchat just can show you if someone is having a birthday. It's going to send you a notification and you're going to find this birthday icon or his bit emoji having those pops and stuff and around his profile, his bit emoji, just to tell you that it is his birthday now. But what if you want to know your friend's birthday, but Snapchat, but it's not his birthday? It's pretty easy. You need to go. What you first need is actually go to one of your friends who has his birthday posted like this. Okay, like for example, over here in mine, I do not have my birthday posted over here. So you need to go to one of your friends which has his birthday posted. Like if I go here. As you can see, it is shown. As you can see it now. If your friend doesn't show his birthday on his account, what you can do is that you can go on any friend and you're going to click on it. And once you click on it, you can see all your friends' birthdays. As you can see, more birthdays: January 1st, January 1st. And if I keep scrolling, you're going to find all your friends' birthdays when exactly they are. So yeah, that was basically how you can find your friend's birthday. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.